guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're about to continue our gospel masterclass. So we almost left with one key. So in today's video, we're going to be working in F sharp, right? If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more videos. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So let me play the song first so that you can get familiar on how it sounds like, and then I'm gonna be breaking down from beginner to intermediate. So this is how it sounds like. Alright, so I'm gonna start from basic progression and then we're gonna go to intermediate, right? So if you're already familiar with the melody and the basic progression, you can skip the video and watch your part, right? Okay, so the first thing, I'm gonna teach you a melody. So the melody itself, this is how it sounds. So the basic progression that will go along with the melody. So you're gonna be starting from here, like 1, 2, right? 1, and then 3, and then 4, 3, right? Like that. Song of gladness, right? So you can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3, right? So you're gonna be playing that with the melody. So it's very important to learn the melody itself, and then you can try to connect the progression and the melody, right? So next step, we're starting here. Right? So we have 2, and then 4. So then we're doing like 4, and then 5, right? So 2, 4, 5, right? And then 6 to the 7, or 5, because 5, you can always replace a 5. Instead of playing 5, you can play 7, right? So from there, we have like a 2, 4, 5, 6, 5. Right? So let's continue. So we have this part. right? So we are on sharp 5, right? 6, 1, right? So we have a 6, and then, right, so they have like a major 2, right? And then 3, and then sharp 4 to the 5, right? So let me repeat for the last time. So sharp 5, 6, 1, major 2, 3, sharp 4, 5. So the last step sound like this. Right? So we have 3, 4, 3, and then 3, and then 6, and then 2, 4, 5, 1. So now we're going to the intermediate. So let's go. So on intermediate, we're starting here. Right, you see? So that's the first part. So we're starting like a 1 chord. So we have, right? So we have F sharp major 13th, right? And then to the second degree, to the 2 chord, which is F flat minor 11, right? Right? So we have hallelujah, right? Hallelujah. So then we did like a simple movement from 4 minor 6 to the 3, right? So from the top we have then do, and then so you can see a digit grace note there, and then, right? So Song of Gladness to the 3, right? So let's continue. So we have this part that sounds like this. Right? So we have, right? So then we have like a 2 chord, right? To the second degree, so, and then to the 4 chord, so which is like F flat dominant sus 2, right? So here we have like a F flat minor 7, right? We're starting on a 2, which is F flat minor 7, so, and then to the 4 chord, which is A flat dominant sus 2, right? So and then to the 5, right? So and then we do, and then so from the top, voice of Jordan, no die, right? So let's go to the next part. Right, so starting here, so there we have like a B flat over D, right? And then we have, so this one is some type of sharp 5, right? And then to the 6th degree, which is B flat, so which is B flat dominant sus 4 over E flat, right? So to the 6 and then to the 1, right? So we have a 6 and we have a 1. And then from there we go into the 2 dominant, right? So like we have right, like that, and then meld, and then sharp 4 to the 5, right? So this is like a last part, right? So we're starting with the same movement that we did going to the 3 degree. That will sound like in the house, so, and then the second time we did this, right, like that. So let me break down properly. So we're starting to the 3, and then right, and then we have the last part. So the last part is some type of traditional movement, right? So sounds like this. So we're starting here. So you see, this is how you can end a song. You can go on a 4, and then 4 minor, and then 4 minor 6 to the 1 chord, right? Last they see me Please, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more. So let me just play from the top so you can see how everything sounds like. Alright guys, we're ending right there.